Hey guys, Mike Grady here. Day number 25 of the ClickFunnels Funnel Builder Challenge. And today we're going to go through the last step of every funnel. The first step from 2 days ago, of course, was the squeeze page, where we're taking all of the information that we have for our offer and squeezing it down into the basic information that people would need to give us their contact information, i.e. their first name, last name, email, and cell phone number, mobile number. Then the second step is to actually going through to the sales page. And on the sales page, that's where we actually explain to them what is the problem that they have, what is our solution, and then of course the social media or social proof that the solution actually works, and the value that they get for the price that they're paying. And of course, then we can have the order on that page, or they can click a button to go to the order page and give us their credit card information. The next step is the one-time offer, or the OTO page, which is on the internet widely known. So just the OTO one-time offer. So again, we go back to the basics on our one-time offer page. Is we have the hook, we have the story, and then we have the offer. Now what's important is when it comes to the one-time offer, is the hook is actually a very big and bold statement at the top that says, hey, wait, your order's not complete yet. So in other words, you've bought our product, but we know there's something else you're gonna need that you don't know. And this is your opportunity to buy that. An example is our product is a shallow water anchor system. So we have an aluminum mount that attaches the boat, and then a fiberglass pole that actually goes down through the mount and actually keeps the boat still. What we know is that over time, that pole will start to wear out. Just like tires on your car, they don't last forever, all right? So what we did is we actually came up with a pole wax that actually extends the life of the pole and makes it easier to use. So once somebody buys our product on our sales page, before they go away, we actually say, hey, wait. And we have a video in here that explains the next step in the purchase process, which is going to help them out, is the pole wax. So then they come here, and what we want to do, and comes to the psychology of selling, is once somebody gives us their contact information, then they go through to the sales page. Once they've taken out their credit card and made the purchase, you've done 90% of the work of satisfying that customer's need. So what we want to do is we want to keep their mind open, or keep the sales loop open, so that they go through the entire process, because we know that if they don't have this next product, that the product we just sold them is not going to perform as well. So in other words, they get the added benefit by purchasing the next product, and that's how we keep the sales process going, or open. So they come to this page, and then we say, hey, wait, and then here's a short video. Now, this video doesn't need to be as long as on the sales page. On the sales page, if you've got a low ticket item anywhere from $37 to, let's say, $297, that can be a short video. But when you get higher, more expensive items, $997, $2,500, $10,000, $25,000, that video needs to be much, much longer. And a webinar format is very effective for that, because for people to spend that kind of money, they got to understand there's a lot of value that goes through that. And we talked about that in the product creation process. But when it comes to the OTO, we've already done all the work to get them to take out their credit card and buy our product. Now, we make it very simple for people to come into the next page and come in here and actually purchase the next step, or the next product that they need. So what we actually have with the software that we use, which is ClickFunnels, is previously, 5 years ago or so, every time somebody would come into our sales funnel or come in to buy a product, if we went through to a one-time offer, then they would have to re-enter their credit card. The nice thing about ClickFunnels is they don't have to do that. The system remembers, one, who they are from the squeeze page, then it remembers their credit card information from their first purchase, and then all they have to do is click a button and the product gets added to their order. Very similar to the bump that we have on the sales page. So basically what we're doing is when somebody comes through and we tell them, wait, we have a beneficial product that's going to help you with the product that you just bought. But then now we have all these people that have come through and they're hearing our story. and they're hearing our product. And what we're doing is once they buy their product, we're moving them through the sales process so that they can get as much value as we can possibly deliver. So that's why we come through here and we keep that buying process going so that we can, again, continue to educate them on how our product is going to benefit them and then how we can actually make that product work better for them in the future. And that's why we offer this product right here. Now, one of the secrets that I found is that when you say wait, you want to have some sort of progress bar at the top that shows that your sale is 50% done and it's not quite complete yet because they haven't bought this extra product. Now, that being said, we always have a line at the bottom that says no thank you, and then they can move on to the next product. So we don't actually stop them right here so they can actually finish it. But what we have found is when we structure the offer page this way, we actually get 30 to 40% more people will actually take the extra one-time offer. And a lot of times what we'll do is in the next step in the process is if we have another product, like a lot of times when people come in and they buy our anchor systems, then they buy the pole wax to make the product last longer, then what they do is they get really excited and they want to tell their friends about our product because, again, what we've discovered is if you got one fisherman in a boat, you got a fisherman, you got two fishermen in a boat, you got a tournament going on. It's about the relationship. Most of people that are out there fishing enjoy fishing with their friends. So when they find a great product, they want to tell their friends about it. So what we can actually do is go to another OTO, another one-time sell, and that's where we can do t-shirts, that's where we do bumper stickers, that's where we do boat stickers, that's where we do a lot of other promotional items because they bought our product, which means they now love it. We've given them a one-time offer to extend it out, and now we give them the ability to tell their friends about it. And how they tell their friends about it is by wearing the t-shirts, having the hats, putting stickers on their boats, on their trucks, on their trailers, all kinds of different things. So what we have found though is if you go more than 4 steps in a funnel, that's when you start seeing diminishing returns because now you're offering people too many things. And the last thing you want to do is take a customer who loves you and then turn them into somebody who's never going to buy something from you again because you've tried to sell them too many things. So keep your funnels to 4 steps. So squeeze page, sales page, order, one-time upsell, two-time upsell, boom, and they're done, and then you have a happy customer. So this is how we structure our business for our physical products. We also do this for our information products for our clients. And I encourage you to use this process because it's worked for us and it's generated over $1 million in sales for our anchor systems. So hopefully this video is helpful. From now, from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about membership sites because what we're constantly doing is we're coming out with new products like our t-shirt line and people can actually sign up to a membership site and then they can be notified for products that are not on the marketplace that are only available to our members. And then after that, we'll start talking about what I talked about a couple days ago, which is traffic. Once we build out the machine to do the selling for us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, how do we get people to it? So hopefully this video was helpful. Model your businesses after this. It works for us. It's worked for a lot of other people, generating hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars in sales. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.